Hi, my name is Julia Mayberry, and I am doing my presentation on the math literature assignment we have. So let's get into it. I'm doing this for third grade math, and the lesson title is Measurement Scavenger Hunt with Measuring Penny. So let's just go ahead and get into this. The objective of the lesson is given a scavenger hunt worksheet, a ruler, measuring cup, a clock, which is on the wall. Students will be able to understand, take, and record the measurements listed on the scavenger hunt. So I have my standards listed here, multiple intelligence listed, my strategy for assessment, which is collecting the scavenger hunt, walking around the room, making sure no one's completely lost, and then the writing prompt at the very end. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get into it. The book I chose is Measuring Penny by Laureen Leedy. And so the into, we will go ahead and read that book and then be put into groups of 3 to 4 after going over the worksheet, the scavenger hunt worksheet. So this is what the book looks like. It's Measuring Penny. It's about a girl who has to go home and do a measuring assignment. And so she ends up using a ruler to measure her dog. She uses a clock to measure how long it takes for her to take care of her dog, and also measuring cups when she's baking. So after reading that, they will then have their scavenger hunt, and within their group, they will go and measure using a ruler, a clock, and the measuring cup, just like the girl did in Measuring Penny. And they will record their findings. So I actually made this worksheet myself. It's just labeled the Measurement Scavenger Hunt. And right here it says, using a ruler, find the length of a binder, a desk, a pencil, and then their choice. Using a clock, measure how long it takes for you to walk across the room, tie both of your shoes, jog a lap, and then their choice. And the reason I want them in groups of 3 to 4 is so that when they're doing this assignment, one person can record the time, especially for this clock activity. One person can record the time and one person can do the activity, and then they can rotate through all of their group members. And then also using a measuring cup, how much liquid fits in a spoon, in a water bottle, in a bowl, and then their choice. So that is the worksheet that they will be doing. And then beyond, students will have a writing prompt to turn in and answer the following questions. What would you do? What would you measure the time it takes? What would you use to measure the time it takes to drive across town? What would you use to measure how much flour you need to bake a cake? And what would you use to measure your bed with? And then also name something that you would like to measure and describe which measurement tool you would use to record your findings. So that is the activity that I planned for them with the book Measuring Penny. I had a lot of fun making this worksheet. And I think it's actually something I'm going to go ahead and save because it's super cute and I think I can use it in the future with a third grade class. So thank you so much for listening.